Welcome, you guys. We're in the city of Medicine Hat.
My name's Nathan. I'm gonna be your tour guide. So we got the South Saskatchewan River here, everybody. All of these buildings, they're all connected below the ground.
We got to tour around Medicine Hat, see all the city and all the kind of hidden little gems. Honestly, my favorite part was the company. It was such a great vibe. Everybody was so much fun. We had lots of laughs.
The population exploded when the railway came to town. These locomotives were very common throughout Canada.
And Medicine Hat got its name from the Cree and the Blackfoot that resided in this land in the early days.
They've done a really good job preserving these areas.
They wanted to call this area Gasburg. It was a pleasure to be your tour guide through the city. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.